Yeah, hello everyone. You are welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to create a Payoneer account. So first and foremost, let's get started. So to create your Payoneer account, you download the Payoneer app. This is the Payoneer app. Okay. So if you are not using the Payoneer app, you make use of the website. We are still going to follow the same process. Now, one thing about Payoneer is that you have to be very careful with the address. Address is very, very important, because if you make mistake regarding the address, Payoneer will not allow you to change any details that you fill, or they will terminate your account. So let's get started. So you all know that for you to get started, you click on sign up. So click on sign up. So I will not complete this sign up because I just want to resume an account. So if you click on sign up, I just want to show you the details you are going to see if you are signing up. Okay, these are the details you are going to see. Let's get you started. To get paid, to send payments only via card. So you select the first option. So those are the things you're going to select. First option. They're going to ask for your email. You fill it up and other necessary procedure. So just try and fill it up now. But what I'm going to tell you here is that whenever you are filling your details, when it reaches the address section, take note of this very important part. When you are filling the address, they are still ask you to verify the proof of address, whatever address you put there. So that is the most important thing in this Payoneer thing. So you can use whatever email you like. Okay, so they will ask you, I think after this, when you put, let's just put a random email that have not been used. Let me see. Which email is I've used almost all my email now. I don't even know which email to put here. Okay, I think after this they are going to ask you concerning your business. So you can just tell them that you don't have a business, or you can just say your business is not registered. Okay, let me use this olas at gmail.com. So I will not complete the registration. Just want to see the olas. So I'm going to send you a code to confirm your email. Now they will ask you, is your business registered? You select no, my business is not registered. Are you following now? So they now ask you for your first name. Now, whatever name you are putting here, make sure that it is correct. It is the same with the name on your ID card that you are going to use to verify that is your name card, and the name on your proof of address. So your proof of address can be your utility bill, all this NEPA bill, prepaid card. But prepaid card, they cannot accept it. Don't let me deceive you. they will never accept it because your name must be on the prepaid card. Assuming your name is on the prepaid card or the NEPA bill, maybe you are the owner of the house. No, your name is on the NEPA bill. But if it is another person's name, Payoneer will not accept it. Just take note of that one. Then it's better you use bank statements, because bank statements you can easily generate it with your bank. So what they want to see on that bank statement, before you create Payoneer account, please use your bank statement first. Are you following now? Go to your bank statement, go and check the address that is there. The address that is on your bank statement, that's what you are going to use to fill this information. And the name on your bank statement must tally with the name on your NIA card. If it does not tally, Payoneer is going to terminate your account. They are terminating account just like Amazon. So they did the same thing for one of my friends. So you have to take note of that. So we are going to use the name on our ID, and the name must also tally with the name on your what's it called? Must also tally with the name on your bank statement together with the address. So let me just use something like Oseni John or David, something like that. So next, so where do you live? Nigeria. So they ask for your mobile number and the likes. So just try and complete the rest. I think all this information now, they are just simple information they are going to ask you after this. So I've told you the important things. Make sure that the details you are using, it's whenever you reach the address place, make sure that you follow the guidelines that I told you. Your name must tally with the name on your ID card and the name on your what's it called, on your bank statement. So let me just go back because I don't want to create an account, because I already have like 2 accounts now. I just want to resume my second account. So this is where I am now on the second account. Now, after filling the first step, that is after filling all your necessary information, your business name, your name, your email address, this is the first step. You will see it, they will mark it like this: registration complete. They are not going to review anything. Are you following now? The review process starts from this second step, which is info and document. Are you following now? Now, under this info and document, get your plastic NIA card ready. Are you following? Get it ready and ready to take selfie. Okay, if you are creating using another person's name, there's no need, maybe the person is not with you. Are you following? There's no need to travel all along to the person's place. What you have to do is that you first of all log out. Make sure you log out on your own device, because if you don't log out, and you give the person that you are creating for, you give the person your details, Payoneer might deny the person from logging in. Are you following? Even if the details is correct, because this Payoneer of 18 is damn crazy. Are you following now? So you have to log out on your own phone first, then you give the details, your password details, give it to the person. The person will log in, at this your place, and the person will help you do the verification and the selfie. Make sure that the person is with the premium card. Are you following now? So the person will complete the those are the things they are going to ask in this stage 2, info and document. They ask for your documents. I told you the name must match, and the address you are going to use, make sure it is the address on your bank statements that you are going to generate, because it's only that bank statement they are really collecting. They collect that of OPay, and they also collect that of PalmPay. If you don't have PalmPay, you can create a PalmPay account. Yes, you can even set up an account maybe you have made mistake before. You not use the name you use or the address you use does not tally with the current address on your bank statement. There is a way to change it. What you are going to do is just to create another account using that name that you have used. Are you following? So when you create like a Payoneer account using that name, then the address that you have mistakenly entered that does not tally with maybe one of your bank statements, you will now use it to fill new details for the new account you are creating. So once you do that, you will now transfer money to that new account. Maybe it is a Payoneer account, you transfer money so that you just transferred for it for like 2 days. So you now generate bank statements from that bank. So that of Payoneer, they normally collect it very well. So I will suggest Payoneer. So even if it is 2 days bank statement, they will collect it. So they want to see your name and the address. It must tally with the one on Payoneer. So I've done that part. Now linking the banking details. You can either link your local bank account or you can use GigPay. You can use GigPay or Gray to receive money from Payoneer. Yes. Now, when you are doing this, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. I don't want this video to be very long. I want to do part 2 of it. So, the acceptable local bank account for Payoneer, they are GT Bank, First Bank, Access Bank, Wema, and the likes. If you are using OPay, they will not collect it. They will not collect OPay. They will not. All these online bank, they are not collecting. Kuda, all those kind of banks, they are not collecting. So you must have a registered bank like GT Bank and all the likes. This big bank, First Bank. Yes, First Bank is very, very okay. But for this account now, I'm going to be connecting my GigPay. Now, if I'm collecting my GigPay, that means I will need a bank statement from GigPay, which is Reanest. I will need a bank statement. So click on complete setup. I just want to resume this account. I have told you the important things that you need to note when creating your Payoneer account. So they're now asking me what's my nationality. Make sure this matches what's on your ID. I think I've done that of ID before. Why are they asking me again? So I'm going to stop this video. This one I will do the continuation part of this video. Thank you.